Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. We already discussed much about fake certificate. If you submitted fake certificate, you know the end result will be termination letter. If you have termination letter, you cannot join the new organization. Nowadays, every organization creating PF account, even if you just join and absconded, they are crediting at least amount. Some of the cases they credited only 35 rupees to PF account. So once they credited PF amount, delink option will not work. You cannot delete member ID lifelong. Okay. We never encourage fake certificate. This video about some people already joined in the organization with fake certificate, still they are working in the current organization. And irrespective of skill, people are doing the verification process. So during the background verification itself, they will do your verification process, but during the interview, they will evaluate your profile, they will recognize you are suitable person for this role. Then why they are doing the verification? Because they don't trust us. Most of the people submitting the fake documents, most of the people hiding the past experience, most of the people giving different experience, but PF account will show different experience. So these problems coming into HR desk, they are identifying fake certificate submitted people in the current organization. Okay, if you work in current organization with fake certificate, throw out. Okay, so in future organization, okay, if you need suggestions how to join the new organization without fake certificate, you can approach to me. I will suggest to you right direction. Okay, consulting fee is huge. If you are okay, my email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. You can approach to me. Once done your payment, we will discuss further. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.